Google just released an AI marketing tool that can literally generate full marketing campaigns in seconds. The tool is Pomelli by Google Labs, and in this video I will show you exactly how to use it step by step to create social media posts, add creatives, captions, and full campaigns using AI. If you are a business owner, marketer, freelancer, or content creator, this tool might completely change your workflow. Pomelli is an experimental AI marketing tool created by Google Labs and Google DeepMind. The interesting part is that Pomelli doesn't just generate random content, it analyzes your website, understands your brand identity, including colors, tone of voice, typography, and visual style. Then it creates marketing assets that can actually match your brand. First, we need to go to the official Pomelli website and sign in with your Google account. Currently, Pomelli is available as a public beta experiment. Some regions may still require VPN access, but it was just launched here in Middle East this month. Now comes the most powerful part. Paste your website URL into Pomelli. Once you do that, the AI starts scanning your website and automatically extracts your brand colors, fonts and typography, tone of voice, visual style, images, and messaging. Basically, it learns how your brand looks and communicates online. This is what makes Pomelli different from traditional AI design tools. Instead of just generating generic content, it creates content that actually feels on your brand. After your business DNA is ready, Pomelli will automatically suggest campaign ideas, like for product launches, promotional campaigns, seasonal offers, educational content, or even social media series. You can also type your own custom prompt and generate your own campaign for your own tailored designed workshop. And within seconds, Pomelli generates multiple creative directions. Once you choose the campaign idea, Pomelli starts generating actual marketing assets. This includes social media posts. You can then animate it, add creatives or captions, website banners, marketing copy, and the best part, everything stays visually consistent with your brand identity. So this is really huge for small businesses and creators who don't have a full marketing team. You're not locked into the first result. Pomelli lets you edit the generated assets directly inside the platform. You can use natural language commands like make this modern, change the background, make the text shorter, focus more on conversions. So instead of learning complicated design software, you just talk to the AI and tell him your requirement. And here is where Pomelli becomes really powerful. You can use it for Instagram campaigns, Facebook ads, LinkedIn posts, product promotions, event marketing, email banners, brand content creation. Some marketers are even combining Pomelli with automation tools like Zapier and N8N to create entire AI-powered marketing systems. Pomelli feels like the beginning of AI native marketing. Instead of creating content manually from scratch, businesses can now generate full campaigns aligned with their brand identity in minutes. If you want to try it yourself, I will leave the official link below. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about the AI tool like Pomelli. See you in the next one.